Alright, friends at home, we've got a magic trick for you today. We are going to turn this into this! Just kidding, we're going to show you this. What's up, dude? You've got another one.
We have a big one too.
We have a big Millennium Falcon too?
It's on our table.
That's right, it's in one of our other videos. Now, we are doing the Star Wars Millennium Falcon Microfighter with Chewbacca, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So where did you get this today?
Target.
Target. What's the special occasion? No special occasion? Alright. So it looks like this mini Millennium Falcon comes with Chewbacca and a bowcaster. Noah's going to get that open here in one moment. It is the, as you guys can see in the back, it is the counterpart to the TIE Fighter that we just built.
Yeah.
So you ready to get this started?
Yeah.
Can you turn that around? Hey, hold on a second. Alright, here we go. Alright, no man, so that was pretty cool. You like this set?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think it's a really cool little microfighter, and I think it's especially cool since it comes with Chewbacca. Uh-oh. Now it's time for them to face off.
Alright, thank you. Oh no!
Whoa. Alright, so let's take a look at Chewbacca's Millennium Falcon now. Doesn't have quite the detail that the other sets have with, would actually fit a minifigure inside the Falcon. But it's got the cool cockpit.
Hello, Darth Vader.
It's got a nice layout. It's pretty cool. It's a nice, economical $10 Millennium Falcon, right? Yeah. So you have some other minifigures you want to play with this set? Oh, so he wants to play. Okay. Alright. Well guys, we thank you very much for watching.
Go, boss. Go.
Hope you subscribe to the Brick Building Kids. No man. Do you have some final words for our friends at home before you start playing?
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.
Ah!
Thanks for watching.